Katie from the OCI team, and today we're going to talk about approving an application for payment, recording a voucher in OCI, and then taking that voucher and inputting it into the application for payment. You can follow along with the corresponding job aid located on the OFCC website. The purpose of the voucher in OCI is to support an application for payment or a miscellaneous invoice. I just want to briefly mention miscellaneous invoices. They act as an application for payment in order to pull money from a miscellaneous commit. Sometimes these will be your invoices for utility expenses. The miscellaneous invoice must have a supporting voucher recorded in OCI, and the record can be created by the architect, district treasurer, project coordinator, project manager, district rep, owner's agent, or owner financial. The workflow is that after it's created, it's sent to the project manager for approval, then sent to update if necessary, then sent to the owner financial for payment processing. We're now going to talk about applications for payment and vouchers. The application for payment process at the building level project is created by the contractor, submitted to the AE for review, then sent to the owner's agent for review, then to the project coordinator, to the project manager, and then to the district representative for district approval, and then to the owner financial for payment processing. At the district approval step by the district representative, they'll review the upper form and lower form of the record, review the fund distribution blocks, and submit it to the owner financial or the district treasurer for payment processing. At the payment processing step, the district staff member will create a voucher or a check in their own financial system of record, then record that voucher record in OCI, and finally pull the voucher record into the application for payment. Let's take a look at the district approval step. At the district approval step, the district representative will receive an email notification that they have an application for payment sent to them for district approval. You can click on the Unifier login link in this email to access the task. Once your task opens up, you'll need to click Accept Task to begin work. You're going to review the application for payment by clicking the General tab to expand the upper form. You'll then review the upper form, including the fund distribution section, especially the withheld from LFI and the withheld from project funds section to make sure that those numbers are appropriate. You can also review the pay request details section to check the line items. And now I'm going to send this record on to the district treasurer or the owner financial for payment processing. I'll choose my workflow action approve, and I can see that it's going to go to the following people for payment processing. Finally, click send. Now we're at the payment processing step. The district treasurer will receive an email notification that they have an application for payment sent to them for payment processing. They can click on the Unifier login link to access that task. At the payment processing step, the district treasurer or the owner financial will click Accept Task to begin work. Next, click the General tab to expand the upper form and scroll down to the Payment Requested section. Here, we're going to review the total requested box, and this is how much I'm going to create my voucher or my check for in my own financial system of record. For now, I'm going to hit save and close this record. Now you must go into your own financial system of record to create your check or your voucher. To create your voucher record in OCI, you're going to go to Logs, scroll down to Vouchers, and then click New. I'm going to click the General form to expand that upper form and go ahead and title my record. Over on the right-hand side, my status will be set to paid. I'll select my payment purpose, in this case, application for payment, and I'll select my financial system of record. Next, I'll scroll down to the application for payment section where I'm going to select the application for payment that I'm going to voucher. The amounts will populate, and then I'm going to scroll down to the Confirmed Financial System Data section. In the Payment ID box, I'm going to enter my voucher number from my own financial system of record, the payment date, and the payment method. And finally, the payment amount. Next, I need to add my voucher distribution lines by clicking on my Voucher Distributions Lines tab and click the Add button. Next, I'll select my fund code. You may have multiple funds to choose from for your state and local share. And I'll enter my amount. I'll also select my financial system of record. And in the PO reference section, I will also want to select the purchase order that this is being populated from. And click OK. You should see all of your lines down here on the Voucher Distribution Lines section. I have the ability to add any attachments if necessary. But if I'm all done with my record, I can go ahead and click Finish Editing. I'm now going to complete the payment processing step by going down to Collaboration, clicking on Tasks, and double-clicking that application for payment to open it. I'm going to click on the General form and scroll down to the Voucher Information section. Here, I'm going to click the Select button and choose the voucher that I just created. And that will populate into my application for payment. My final step is to choose the workflow action Vouchered, and I can see that it will go to the End step, and this is the final step of this record. If you have any questions about approving an application for payment or recording a voucher, you can contact the OCI support desk at oci@ofcc.ohio.gov or 614-644-2211.